These are red-billed Quelea, with flocks often numbering in millions. They're the most plentiful bird in the world. Their nesting cycle is intense, and they all nest in colonies all at the same time. From the day that the eggs are laid until the chicks fledge, it's only 3 weeks, an extremely rapid period of production. And in some years they can breed 2 or 3 times. And it's then that you get these massive flocks of millions of birds. One wonders how they can fly in these massive flocks and not have piles of accidents. But high-speed cameras have shown that each bird keeps tabs of the bird next to it, and each one is responding to the other's movements. This is high-tech flying coordination. Surely these massive flocks must be easy targets for birds of prey. But I think somehow there's mass confusion with all these numbers, and the raptor doesn't know which one to go for. And often they come up empty-handed.